All right, hey guys, welcome back to another. Oh wait, can you guys hear me? Hold on. Hello, testing. Oh, you guys can hear me. Okay. Wait, I think my mouth tracking is turned off. So hold on a minute. Let me change that real quickly. I'll put you guys to the waiting screen first. Hold on. Okay, I think I fixed my mouth. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to another Godot live stream. I'm your host Morgan Ozpin, and today I am back from my stream on Facebook, which I've done yesterday. If you guys weren't there when I streamed on Facebook, I just pretty much made my enemy spawn system on that stream. And if you want to go check out what I did on said stream, you can go check out the VOD on my second channel if you are too lazy to catch it up on Facebook. But if you're on Facebook, you can follow it on my Facebook page, the Vanilla Log, by going down to my recent post that I posted on my YouTube channel for that. But anyway, so where we last left off, we made our enemy spawn system. So now every time my player character gets spawned in on this scene, actually let me first see if the desktop audio is turned off. Okay, desktop audio is turned off. Good. By the way, guys, I fixed up a issue on most of my streams where you guys can see like OBS and stuff. And I know that's like a very minor inconvenience, but it is like an inconvenience for me. Seeing my stream start off with just the freaking blank scene of freaking OBS and stuff. So I pretty much turned on that setting that hides OBS on OBS, which I didn't know was a thing until now for some reason. But yeah, anyway, if I play this freaking scene right here, you can see that. Oh shoot! Freaking, let me put that on. There we go. Okay, there we go. Anyway, let me just shoot down all these enemies, and as of the moment, there are no enemies on screen, as you can tell. But then, if I were to keep walking a little bit in this area, which I'm gonna go speed up a little bit, so so you guys don't need to sort of see me, you know, struggle to spawn in an enemy. If you walk in a little bit here, you can see that. Come on, do something! God damn it! Something should spawn in by now. Yeah, here we go. A freaking bat will spawn in, and even more of these stuff if I collide with this freaking area over here that spawns in at the very edge of a scene. And yeah, basically this whole, oh my god, that guy freaking hit before I even able to kill it. But basically, my game now instantly spawns a bunch of enemies, which is great. And I made it so that even though they're like beyond where they should be like seen, they're at least able to be able to stay within where I am able to see them and shoot them down if I have to. Like so. Let me get rid of these guys here as well. Alright. And yeah, everything just works in my script. And just make sure these guys are like not anywhere out of bounds. Okay, so far they are not. All of the enemies are eliminated, and that's good. Okay. And yeah, everything just works. So on this stream, we will be making the mining system for my game. Now, Morgan, now you might be asking, Morgan, what the frick do you mean a mining system? Don't you really have like a mining system wherein you can like click on the ores and expect something to come out of it? Well, yeah, I do have that, but um, I don't like the fact that every time I, well, click on an ore, um, it instantly gives me the ore I want right away. I want there to be like a slight delay every time I click on an enemy or I click on a mine in my cave. So what we'll be doing today is we will be making the delay timer for every time we click on a mine. We will wait for it to spawn in a little bit. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. I know that's just one feature for my game, but I mean, it took me like 2 hours to make the enemy spawn system for my game. So who knows how long it would take for me to make the mining system for my game. So for this to happen, I wanna put my focus on this area 2D that I've called the clickable mine. And this spawns in every time a mine or spawns in onto my scene. It will spawn directly on top of the ore texture of my scene here. So what I want to make here is first let's make a timer right here, and I'll call it the mining timer. And let me see where this goes. If input event is mouse button. Okay, so let's see. Let's have the mining timer be set at 5 seconds, right? And then what we'll also make is a progress bar over here, and we'll have this go from. Why is it set like that? What the frick? Okay, I'm gonna make a progress bar, and this progress bar will visually tell the player how much time left there is before this mine gets instantly demolished. So I guess I'll place it. Okay, what? Hold on. What is this freaking progress bar right here? This goes horizontally, right? Okay, let me just change the anchor points here to right. This node doesn't have a control parent? What? Okay, well, just do whatever it takes to. Oh my god. No. Okay, and then I don't want to hide this freaking percentage. I don't need this. Okay, what the frick is with this progress bar? Why can I not move its freaking Does it need a control? Does it really need to control parent like this? Okay, well, okay. I'm gonna put this. Okay, what the frick is happening? Hold on, wait a minute. Let me go to my inventory. Let me just see if this works. Okay, it's working here. Let me just change it back to where it once was. Why in the clickable mine I can't like adjust the anchor points? I want to adjust the anchor points. Why can't you do that for me? Oh my god. Okay, fine. At least anchor offsets work, so why not? I want to move this! Oh my god. Okay, why am I doing this? I don't need this control node anymore. I'm gonna change the anchor offsets of this to the bottom. I'm gonna make it like this, then go bottom like that. Okay, that works for me. And then, okay, you'll hide this. Okay. And then, if event is input event mouse button, okay, that works for me. Then, let's see. Okay, so it emits a, what's this, spawn or dot emit? Why do I have this? Spawn or. Then where does this signal go? Is it here? I'm lost. I don't know what my script does anymore. Let's see. Spawn or dot clickable mine dot background items dot add inventory items to scene. Oh, background items dot add inventory item to scene. Okay, so it goes to, where's background items? I'm guessing over here. Ah, okay. Alright, so that's what my signal does. It initiates this function right here. So to fix that, I need to change it a little bit so that there's a slight delay. We can go here and we can make a, well, first we need to make an onReady variable for this timer. So right there, onReady mining timer, and the mining ming the mining progress bar. Okay, there we go. Okay, so game manager dot mouses and inventory grid equals true. Return, and then we do mining timer dot start. Okay, we will let this be a one shot, and don't auto stop, auto start. And then mining progress bar dot show. Okay, and then we need a, I guess, a physics process. No, we didn't need physics. We just need a func process. And in the process bar, it's as simple as mining progress bar dot value equals mining timer dot time left divided by 5. So I'm not divided by 5. Mining timer time left divided by wait time. Okay. Okay, so that pretty much decreases the time left. So to reverse that process, we do 1 minus and then times 100. I think that's how it works. Okay, and then over at the ready function, we will make a mining timer dot timeout dot connect to ready to add orbs. Okay. So I guess we need to go here, make a new func, add ready to add orbs. Okay. Oh. Okay. And then how do I? Okay, I'm now forgetting how does this. How was this able to spawn the correct colored ore based on the texture? Ore type as Atlas. Was it here? Oh, okay. Okay, so how this was changed was through a different script. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. So, and I guess we also need to. Oh, okay, the player is here. So let me go to the player. Because what I want while this is being while we're waiting for this to get mined, I also want the player to also stop so that we can, you know, we can wait for the ore to spawn in. So for that to happen, dot stop. Okay. Okay, so we need go back here. Player dot stop dot current state equals I don't know what the frick. States dot stop. States dot stop and equals player dot states dot stop, and I'm gonna make a comment here for my future self. Stops the player from walking while mining. And then we also need to make player dot is shooting equals false. And then while I'm waiting for this player to, mine this, I also want to give at least the player the ability to shoot some enemies. So let me see. If event is input event mouse motion, mouse button. Current state equals states.shop is shooting equals true. Stop and shoot delay timer. Okay, what does this do? Stop and shoot delay timer. Does this do anything? What? Oh, okay, wait. Transition to moving after shooting. Okay. Um, states.move. No, how do I freaking have this be on states.stop for now? So every time the player shoots, he will move. So moving or stopping after shooting. Okay. And I'm gonna go back here. Okay, so we just need to move to redefine this function here. So whenever, actually, you know what? I need to add this to a group. Although, okay, I'll have this be in mines. And then add the group mines, then currently mining. Var being mined equals false. Okay. Okay, and then we get being mined equals false, equals true. There we go. Okay, there we go. And now this entire boolean will not only lock the player from restarting the timer, the mining timer, but I can also use the same boolean value to let's see, add this to group, add to group mines. Then I'm gonna make a comment here. This group gets scanned by the player, so to stop it from moving while stop itself from moving while mining ores. By scanning all ores and see all ores. By scanning all ores and seeing if any ores are being mined. Okay. Alright, so go back to player, and then we get for ore in get tree dot get nodes in group mines if ore dot being mined move player equals false. Okay. True. If ore dot being mined if not or true. True, then if ore being mined, then we set move player to false. Okay. And then over here, if move player equals false, we will set the current state equals states dot stop states dot stop And then is shooting ever gets falsified? Okay. States.stop is shooting equals false. And then elif move player equals true. We do this. There we go. Shooting, then I don't know. States.move. States.move is okay, just move and okay, it doesn't matter what whether this is shooting or not. Okay, that works for me. Okay, so let's play this, shall we? Oh. Okay. So let me do this. Okay, when that happens, I need to let's see, go back to clickable mine. Okay, when this stops ready to add ores, we have to spawn ore.emit. Let's see, player.current state equals states.move, I guess. And then is shooting equals false. And then let me see. I need to go to cave world and under background items. Item path string. Oh, wait a minute. Back to here, applicable mine. Spawn order the net. Wait. How does this calculate where this ore gets spawned? Okay, add child to new infant item dot position. global position. And then spawn position equals item position. Okay, what do I need the spawn position for? Okay, and then oh yeah, I need the spawn position variable so that if it doesn't fit on any part of the grid, it can. Oh yeah, I forgot that's how it works. Okay, let's go back here. I'm gonna change the position of this back to that, and then under inventory or I guess cave here, item pause, maybe here, get viewport dot get mouse position. Maybe I need to add horse. I'll have this be instead linked to a variable here, var or position at spawn. This will be a vector 2, and being mind equals true, then or position at spawn equals get viewport dot get mouse position. Okay, and then we do this, then do or position at spawn. I'm just noticing that this third variable is not being used, so I might have to get rid of that entirely. Anyway, how you guys been doing? Okay. So we got that figured out. Now, one more thing, it's this now. $100 minus, then we do this. Oh. I think that should do it. Okay. Alright, let's just shoot down some of these bad boys. Okay, come on. Okay. So let's wait for this to load. Okay, nice. And I can still like shoot while I'm here. Good to know. Nice. Okay. We got our freaking a basic version of the mining system. Now there's one more thing we need to make here, and it's that if I craft this like red ore in my freaking inventory grid, it will turn it into a drill. Now what I want this drill to do is when I'm holding a drill and I were to hold at a freaking mine right here, it would instantly like get rid of that mine for me. So for that to happen, actually wait, before we do that, let me make sure that input events. Then let me go for we also give the player the ability to cancel a I don't know, let's not do that for now. Okay, so while the player is, you know, waiting for this to be mined, I also want there to be a system that prevents the player to mine multiple ores at once. So for that to happen, we need to go get for in get tree dot get why is this a comma dot get nodes in group mines if being mined if or dot being mined equals true, return. Okay. Control C. If or is not self end. Okay, there we go. So this function just lets it so that I only mine let only allows the player to mine ores one at a time. Okay. So let's see if this works. Okay, so yeah, I can now only click one ore at a time. That's good. Okay, now I guess the only thing we need to do is, well, we can mine the ores now, but this a little lack of any visual cue on how my freaking player is able to mine these ores. So, we will include a animation wherein the player will shoot like a special thunderbolt, I guess, to the sky. And let me just make a new I'll make a new scene here. And we'll have this be what's the lightning bullet made of? A character body 2D? Okay, I'll delete this. I'll get this lightning bullet class here. And I'll save the scene as a mining bullet. Mining bullet.res. Or did I even save the original lightning bullet scene here? Oh, here. Okay. Alright. So for this one, damage enemy if body is enemy, and mining bullet.res. And we need to attach a different script for this, I think. So I'm gonna have this, although I do like the frickin' okay, I might need to reuse some stuff here. Class name player bullet. Oh, it's already like a class, okay. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna detach this here. Make a new script, call it mining bullets. And I'll have this extend the player bullet class. Okay. And this thing should be the sky escape magnet. Okay, wait, do enemies can enemies detect this thing? I don't think so. Bullets. And mob trigger. Okay, I'm gonna make a new physics layer here. project settings, physics, call it mining bullets. Okay, and let me see. This will detect the mines. Are the mines let's see. Okay, it is a separate class. Okay. Oh, but wait, what if it's not the... Oh no, wait. Okay, maybe not the player bullet would be the right thing for this. I'm gonna rename this to mining bullets. Okay. And this will be in layer 9, and it will detect mines. And I think for this script, I'm gonna actually turn this into a area. Actually, wait, it's already an area 2D. Okay, that's good. This is an area 2D, so let me see. Let's see, I need a variable target mine, and this should be an area 2D. And let's see. So wait, when this spawns in, I'll go up, right? Then we need a ready variable func ready target mine dot body entered dot connect target mine dot ready to add force. Okay. Okay. And then over here, Um, let's see, mining timer, the time that connect. Funk, shoot. Shoot, mining, bullet. Okay. Player dot transition to shoot. Okay, then shoot mining bullets. Okay. So we go back to our player, which is over here. Then how do I get it to ay ay ay. Let's see, var mining bullet charged equals true. Okay. Equals false. Okay. Then over at clickable mine, mining timer.timeout.connect, shoot mining bullet. Okay. Then player dot mining bullet charged equals true. Back to player. Okay. Then transition to shoot. Okay. So if mining bullet charge equals true, then we get Control C var lightning bullets. I think bullet seen. Oh, well, we also need a at on ready var mining. Fine, I'll go for a Pascal case here, I guess. Scene impact scene equals preload. Where's this mining bullet scene? mining bullets. Okay. Then over at transition to shoot, we get the mining bullets equals mining bullets scene dot instantiate. And then how does this work? Then mining bullets dot position equals bullet spawn point dot position, then lightning bullet dot bullet sky equals bullet boundary, mining bullet dot bullet sky equals bullets boundary, mining bullets dot bullet ground equals bullets ground, then we add the child to mining bullets. Okay, then stop and shoot delay timer dot start. Okay, and I think that's it. Mm. Then let me just add a few variables here. Okay. Then Control-C, Control-V. Okay. This property is always 0 if the timer is stopped. Okay. Turn. Okay. Oh, wait. This is the wrong uh, mining bullets.res. There we go. Okay, and then we also need to do something here. Add child mining. Ouch. Ah. Okay. Now I need to assign the target mine here to this mining bullet. Now, how do I do that? um, go back to the clickable mine. So we have the shoot mining bullet, charge equals true. I guess we can, let's see, where? Let's see, we need to make a variable, target mine. Is an area 2D. Okay. And then over at the mining bullet, target mine dot ready to add ores. Okay, ready to add ores. All right, so we need the body here with node, and if body equals I don't know, I guess a player bullet. Let me go back to the mining bullet. Target mine.body enter.connect. Yoy. Oh wait, no, this would be body entered. Or wait, no. Speak here. Hitbox dot body entered. Okay. Oh yeah, I think that's much better. So now under bullets? No, it should be under mining bullets. And you cannot detect enemies. You cannot detect, well, you can detect the bullet sky if you want to. I guess you also need to detect the bullet sky as well here. And you definitely need to detect the mines. Then we go back to our clickable mine. And if body equals self, then we do all this, I guess. And let me go back to our player 2D here. And just to make sure this is working correctly, mining bullet dot target mine equals target mine. Okay. And over here, okay, I think that's it. Then if body equals self, yeah. dot bind self. I hope this is how it works. Okay. There we go. Q3 mining bullet. Oh wait. Maybe eliminate the eliminate this first, then okay. And I'm in the wrong scene. Let's do it over here. But I haven't checked the freaking chat in a while. Okay. You guys are like tuning in, I guess. Oh, did I type the wrong? Wait. Ready to add ores. Let me go back to cave world. Right again, this one. Okay. Control C. Oh, I don't have a C. Target mine. Did this ever call? Control C. Control V. Then the player. Clickable mine. Okay. Player.targetMine equals that equals self. Okay, let's try to shoot this ore right here. Or excuse me? Alright, let's shoot this ore. Target not. That's definitely a Control C. Wait, static body? What? It's an area 2D. Oh, it's supposed to be a static body. Okay. Wait, don't tell me I've been using the wrong. Oh shit, wait. Oh no, wait. Oh shit. Could this be an area 2D instead? I may have used the wrong. Okay. Change type to area 2D. Okay. Okay. Alright, at least pickable is still here. And I don't think I use a lot of the static body to the variables that much, so I think my script still works as is. And then, yeah, I think this works. And I'm in the wrong scene. Let me go to cave world. Okay, let's see if this still works. Is this the mine, right? Wait, what? Invalid assignment of property or key, target mine with value of type area 2D. Okay, target mine is. Oh, wait. Area. There. Okay, did that fix everything? Hopefully, this should fix everything. Okay. Let's wait for this guy to... wait. Mining bullets. Boundaries, escape magnet, mob trigger, mines. Capable mine. Where is my lightning bullet? Oh wait, I need to also wait. Oh fuck. Go back to cave world. Something about this is not working. So I think I need to change the collision shapes, the collision layers of my bullet boundaries here, so I can attack also my mining bullets. Bullet boundary. Okay. There we go. So let's play it. Okay. I'm gonna select this one. Really, nothing. Yeah, yeah. Oh, wait, it's... Okay. So we'll see. Mining bullets. Control V. Okay. Wait, I might have just overridden the ready function. I think that's why it's not working as intended. Oh, the new pause and drop. Okay. Mining bullet dot new pause on drop equals let me go back to the clickable mine. Let's see. Or position at spawn. Player dot target mine pause equals or position at spawn. Okay. Then we go to here. Go to variable, target mine pause is a vector 2. And we go back to our mining, not here, or clickable mine. Okay. Or position at spawn. Go here. Then equals target mine pause dot x. Okay. All right. Let's. I guess there's only one ore to mine. It's this one. Okay. All right. Go, Scotty. Huh? What? Let's look at this one more time. Mining bullets. Bullet sky dot body enter dot connect. Delete missed bullet. Let me see. Oh wait, this is here. Then go here. Shoot mining bullets. Get a minute. Wait, hold on. Print mined ore. Okay. Oops. I got rid of the cave world scene here. Okay. Let's do this. Alright, mine is ore. Okay, it doesn't detect it for some reason. Let me go back to the cave layer 2D here. Mm. Alright, let's get this ore. Okay, it bothers me the fact that there's some instances where in this I can't click on any of these. Okay, why is it not working? I might have to do something with the lightning bullet script maybe, because this is like it's probably doing something with the yeah, I'm gonna have to freaking Control C, then where's my lightning bullet script? Lightning bullets? And go to assets, lightning bullets. Okay, I'm gonna detach this script, include a new script. Call it the bullet class. And I'm gonna get rid of all of this. And let's go find the lightning bullet script right here. And I'm gonna just get all of this, Control C. Extends character body 2D, class name player bullets. Okay. And back at lightning bullets, I'm gonna get all of this. We'll see. Okay. Then the bullet class would have this. Where's the lightning bullet? There we go. Okay, can I just rename this instead? Rename. To bullets class. Okay. Let's go to scripts. Okay, where is the show in file system? It's over here? Well, okay. Then extends bullets bullet player bullets. Okay. Okay, there we go. Then can we move this to another part of the script? Move to scripts. Okay, bullet class. There we go. And what's this? Okay, lightning bullets. Bullet class. Okay. Then in mining bullet, func physics process. We're taking a page out of the lightning bullet. Control C. Okay. And I'm still not sure whether this would work, but it should. It has to. um, let's see, bullet class. Oh, I renamed this bullet class. I don't want that to be the case. Rename. Lightning bullet. Okay. And just make sure that this still works. I'll go back to my player and let's see if the lightning bullet. Okay. Alright, all this should work now. Alright, let's see first if the bullets still work. Okay, as intended. Okay. And then let's mine some ores. And it still doesn't work. What the frick? um, let's see. Transition to shoot. Yay. Oh, Okay. Okay, could at least detect this. Okay, how does this work again? Hitbox. Okay. The hitbox is at 9, 4, and 6. Okay. Hmm. Is the clickable mine like as in layer 4? Do I need this to be active? I don't know if that makes sense. Okay. Hmm. It's still not doing it. Hmm. Go to mining bullets. What's pickable mean? I don't get this. Body enter dot connect. Ready to add ors. Find yourself. Mine. Can detect the mining bullets. Yeah. So to have it be like target mine dot. Oh wait, it's body entered. It should be area entered, right? Yeah. Okay, I think I got it now. Okay. Must have been using the wrong signal. Oh god. Okay, let me mine this one. Hey, okay. There we go. Okay, now it's working. The animation's still kind of off. So let me try to fix that by, let me see. Let me go to our player 2D class. Transition to shoot. Yeah. Uh, Control C. Control V. There we go. Okay, that should fix everything. And I'm like once again in the wrong freaking scene. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's just try to mine this ore right here. And since the turtle is there, okay. So this just proves to me that this mining bullet can only detect um this mining bullet can only detect mines and not enemies. So I guess that means I also need to make a special bullet texture for that. Okay, wait, what was that? Okay, let me keep moving this. Okay, one. Okay, something's wrong with now the position of this. Okay, wait. Let's go to clickable mine. So how does this get created again? Get or position at spawn. Hmm. Okay, wait. Back to player 2D. Um, let's see. We're at clickable mine. Then we need to make a new variable here for position at spawn at spawn vector 2, and then we need to change, where is it? Okay, here, or position at spawn equals get global mouse position. Okay. All right. So we go back to our cave world. And let's see if this works. I'm gonna speed up the game so that we kind of move a little bit off center from where it's supposed to be. Then, boop. No. What is that? At spawn. Okay. Alright. Let's speed this up. 1, then boop. Hey, okay. It works now. Let me get rid of these freaking guys. Okay. Okay. Now, I want there to be a delay for this thing, so let's stops the player from walking while mining. Okay. Let's go here. And let's make a equals true. Okay. If shooting equals true, then what's the length of this animation anyway? 7 frames. Okay, then we need to await. Let's see. Is there a, okay, there's a physics process. That's good. Although I might need I want a process function, I think, for this one. So, oh my god. Have a delta. No, we don't. Okay. await animated, or what's the sprite? Outline dot shoot is where is shoot at? Okay, so go here. If outline dot animation dot frame is greater than free, okay, when we allow that to happen, I guess you should also do it for this over here. If is mining equals true, or held items is empty, or okay. Okay, let's see if this fixed everything. Hmm. Okay, transition to shoot, then it might need another function just to spawn this in. So over here under Control C, transition to shoot, then I need a function spawn mining bullet over here. This will have this. Okay. Hmm. uh. Okay, so what I'm guessing is happening is the reason why this is not being called is because it's only being called once, this entire function, but once it's not called, this if statement won't be called either. If I set this to while, return, I guess. Hmm. Is less than. All I done frame is less than free. Pass. Then let's see if this works. And it's not working anymore. Okay, wait. I need to fix that bug somehow. I don't know what's causing that bug, but it's driving me nuts. Uh-oh. Close the program. Okay, maybe not. Maybe let's not use the while loop then. Um. Okay. So we'll go back here. Okay, there's a reason why we don't use the while loop. It's just so not what we should be using. So let's go with input, not input event here. I'm gonna get rid of this, and I guess get rid of all of this as well. Hmm. Hmm. If outline.frame is greater than 3, event is input event mouse button. I'm gonna bring this back here. I'll be using a await function. Await. What's this? Okay, what are the signals for a frame change? Emit when the frame changes? No. None of this is what I want. Uh, shit. Let's get the shoot delay. Let's get a timer for this one. And let's call this the shoot animation delay. Animation delay timer. Okay. And I guess we'll put it underneath this onReady variable here. Okay. Okay. And then how do we get this to let's see. So it's 7 frames per second, so it's like 3 times delta. Ay, ay, ay. Do you have any better nodes to count how many frames there are? No? Okay. Okay. I'll have this be set at, I don't know, uh, I don't know, 0.1, I guess? 0.1 seconds. And it's a one shot. And oh, well, yeah, what's the original? Okay, 1 second. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. So we got this. I don't need this. And we don't need this no more. Okay. Oh my god. I don't want to make more variables. Making more variables just makes things more confusing for future me. But okay, I'll just make this transition to shoot somewhere here. Func spawn mining bullets. And I'll have it be here. Bullet type string. Okay. If bullet type equals mine equals mine, we will var bullets equals clear bullets bullets Okay, stop and shoot delay timer dot start and mining bullet charge equals false. Control C. If bullet type equals enemy, bullets okay, get rid of all of this. Okay, I guess we don't need this, and we pause and drop bullet sky bullet underscore spawn point position dot position. Uh Control C, Control V. Okay, we're using a lot of lines here, so I'm making it more compact here. Okay, then I'm gonna make this a comment for now. Then spawn bullets of enemy. Okay. Okay, let me just see if this works without the whole delay thing we are trying to create this past few hours. Um, oh, Control C, Control V. Okay, there we go. C, Control V. Okay, now we need a wait get underscore tree dot create timer returns a new scene tree after seconds have passed. The timer will emit and will be automatically freed. If process always is false, the timer will be paused when scene tree that pause is true. Uh 0.5 maybe. Oh, what's this? Dot timeout. Okay, what was that? Okay, let me try to speed up this game. Let me just see. Okay, wait. I need to distinguish the mining bullet from the. Let's see. This is a. Okay. Um. I don't know. A shader material. Shader material for this. And let's use a new shader. Yay. Okay, you know what? Okay, let's have the sprite 2D just be the Godot icon for now, just to test things out. And I'm gonna make this hella small. So okay. And let me see if I can figure out what's the bug that's causing it to spawn multiple bullets at once. Let's see. Transition to shoot is shooting equals true. Then what is going to cause this to mining bullet charge equals false? Oh. Control C, Control B. And then mining bullets. Okay. Alright, let's wait for this to load. Okay. Alright. Okay, I can't recreate that bug that's happening, I guess. And then now I have this problem wherein the animation starts looping. It'd be on control K. Ah, this bug again? God damn it. Oh wait, does it only happen if... Okay. Okay. At least that's working. Alright. Well, at least for the most part, I'm able to at least get this all figured out. Okay, let me play my game a couple more times just to... Okay. See where this all comes in. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So far, I'm not detecting any bugs, which is good. Okay, one last thing. Um, we should have done this like a while back, but let me go to here, clickable mine, and input event. If cave game manager dot mouse is an inventory grid equals true or being mined equals true, return. It only allows the player to mine ores one at a time. Okay. And over here, if you need to get the held item, var held item equals get first get tree dot get first node in group held item. Okay. If held item dot name equals drill, or wait, go to where's the inventory items? Now where is my drill tech? Okay. Dot name dot contains drill, then just or position at view, get mouse position, then shit, I need to do this now. Equals null. Okay. Equals null. Okay. If mining bullets is not equal to null. Okay. And then over here, dot get mouse position, then ready to add ores, self. Alright, here we go. Person group, held item. Okay. We're gonna go back to here, and then we need to queue free the what's it called? The drill. Ready to add ors health held item dot qu free. Okay. There we go. Ay ay ay. Oh my god, self then held item. Okay. Okay, let's see if this works. And I'm in the wrong scene again. Always and every day, I am always in the wrong scene. Okay. Have you guys been watching, by the way? Okay. So now, let me get rid of some of these. Frick, I'm not. Okay. Oh. Um. If held item is not equal to null, and it's the expected. What do you mean? After if it's there's a freaking this one. There's a colon already. What are you talking about? If not, am I getting a bug or something? What the frick is this? Okay. Now let's craft a drill just to see if all of this works. Using this, then it works. Okay. Nice. Um Oh, wait, hold on. Then return. Okay, let me just get rid of all these pets. These pests of that's clogging my screen. And let's craft a drill. Like that, then okay, good. So I included that return statement just so when he drills a ore, it how do we say this? When it drills an ore, it doesn't stop and smell the flowers and stuff. Okay. So let me just get rid of all these guys. There we go. And yeah, it works. Let's go. Okay, so I guess this will be it for today's stream, guys. I know it's a very long freaking stream here, but I need to freaking rest right now because I've been focusing too much on this freaking game. I guess some things you need to work on is the fact that this game might need a you guys can hear me, right? Hello? Okay. So I guess the only thing that this game needs is to fix some kind of okay, all this is working, right? We need to fix all the little bugs that happen occasionally, which I cannot recreate all the time for some reason. But I think the reason why those bugs exist is because it's something to do with where my freaking cursor is positioned by the time we spawn something on scene. So we might have to fix that in a different time. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. I don't know. I guess on our next stream, we might have to now make all of the other crafting items on my scene usable. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. So see ya. Bye bye. Now go read a book. Oh, and by the way, shit, I already said my farewells, but I'm gonna be streaming again on Facebook tomorrow, and don't worry, this won't be another like game dev stream that you have to catch up on in order to see me, improve on this game. This will just be a normal Blender stream that I'll be doing on Facebook. So if you guys are missing out on my Blender time lapses and stuff when I make just character on stream, well, good news for you guys. I'm gonna be doing a Blender stream on Facebook. And just like before, I'm going to be publishing the VOD on my second channel if that is gonna be the case. And just to give you guys an idea of what I'll be making on that stream, I'm gonna be making a Pokemon. in Blender. Just like old, just like how it was when we did it before on around 2022, I guess. But yeah, that'll be it for today, guys. Now go read a book. Bye bye.